Cool. All right. I just started the stream. So, yeah, today you can show us
Uh,
how far you got.
okay. I mean, it's more like not something much because I'm trying to learn like per stack using um like simple stuff. So we
Mhm.
have JavaScript here, and then I think like the issues that I was running in, it was more about the like like when I run this in locally, then let's see, let's just open this locally. Was it which one was it? Which one was it? Is it npm start to like
npm run start. Try
is
it.
it okay?
Try it.
So that it can open like the logo file. Oh,
npm npm run npm run dev.
oh yeah.
The way that you can see this is you can look inside the package.json file, and you can see. Uh, and if
Hmm,
you look here, and you scroll down a bit, okay, yeah. So it should be
yeah, npm start.
the npm run start. Um, but what did it say when you did that?
npm start. I think I don't. It doesn't say.
I think you need npm, yeah, npm run start. Yes, you need to have run. Yeah.
Run start. Yeah, which is But the thing is, it gives me output of the yeah. Which is hmm, which one did I even use?
No, that should work. Um, now
Before installing it.
now hold up 1 sec. Don't run anything yet.
Yeah.
So look inside of the direct. Can you just do an ls? List the directory that you're in now.
Oh,
Okay.
mix.
Yeah. So look what's in this directory.
It's in the to do app. It looks okay. Directory seems
Look,
good.
what, look what's inside of it.
Let's put inside of it.
You have a client and you have a server,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So in order to run the client, you need to first cd client.
Oh, I didn't know that. Is it something that for the back end, right?
Well, the client and the server are two separate applications the way this is set up.
Yeah. Oh, true. This is client. Yeah.
Yeah. And then once you're there, then you can run npm run start.
Oh, oh, interest. Oh, never mind. Yeah, yeah. I have to. All right. Everything's inside the to do app here, so it doesn't even cover stuff like um these, right? It doesn't even.
That's
Wait.
a separate application. If you want the server to run, then you may have to run both.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I remember the issues with the when I was trying to implement like the PostgreSQL database thingy here. So apparently like it doesn't show me the JSON output or anything like that. Like when we were trying to inspect it, it doesn't show me the JSON output.
Oh.
Like for example, like this is my SQL thingy here. Then like I put into this value here, insert into this value, so that it should show something like here, like as like a JSON like array, but it didn't. It didn't show up. Mm,
Okay. Interesting. Where did you get this server code from? Is this part of um is this part of React? What did you use to create this?
this is not mainly JavaScript yet because I'm trying to learn about the
Yeah.
yeah.
This code, did Expo set you up with SQL initially?
No. This is not Expo. This is like I was trying to do another project that
Oh,
doesn't using
oh,
React
okay.
Expo. Yeah, I was trying to do a project because like it was like following the tutorial on a YouTube
Oh,
to
okay,
learn
okay.
about like how to set up like using SQL and then also like these like server here, like how to use the server and stuff like that.
Yeah, you use the server. So,
I'm still using React, yeah, but it's mainly like also React as well.
okay, this is right, right, got it. So, um, can you close the source? Can you close the client and the server folders? And now look at the package.json that's here in the root directory. Okay. So here you see they use two separate commands, one to run the server and one to run the client.
Oh, I see.
So and then the client one is what we just did, cd client and npm start.
Oh, I see.
Um, and if we want to run let's go back to the app in the web browser. So the client is running now.
Yes.
But if you do like add new, if you do like add new,
Oh, I
then nothing happens. I
sure.
think I think if you will go to the console in Chrome, um, so yeah,
It's,
and
it's in
in
Spanish.
fact, yeah,
Yeah.
and then you have to click on console at the top. So I think here you see that it says fail to fetch because the server is not running, only the client is running.
Yeah.
So every time we're testing, we have to run both the server and the client.
Oh, so if you don't run server, then whatever you put into the whatever output you're trying to do in like the PostgreSQL, it doesn't show up.
It doesn't even run. The the website cannot even connect to any of the code that you have in the server directory.
Let's see.
Um, but so did you last time you tested this? Did you run the server?
I'm not sure. Like, I don't. I thought like it would run because like I don't think so. I was trying to look at the history
Hmm.
of my the thing I did here, but it didn't. I don't think so. Then I think
Okay, let's try running it now. In order to run two things at the same time,
like this one here. We need to.
yeah. So in order to run two things at the same time, you need to open a new terminal
Yeah,
tab.
gotcha. New terminal.
Yeah,
Oh, I can just double the terminal.
exactly.
Oopsie.
Now you can run npm run server. Yeah. Okay. So now the server is running. Yeah. Now let's test it and see what happens.
Oh, so on the same port. So that
Mhm.
means I refuse. Do I just like refresh this page? Hmm,
Actually, don't even need to actually. Just try to
yeah,
just
import.
make that.
Oh, I have to like something like like type in like localhost something 8,000, right?
No, 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 that's fine. So all you need to do is here. So go to the in the terminal. Do you see those three dots on the top right? Or maybe it's is it there? Yeah, and then can you put this on the bottom? Can you put see where it says dockside
Yes.
at the top? Like choose the bottom one. Yeah, see now we can actually see stuff. And then yeah, and then for some reason it's doing it in like mobile mode. Do you know how to turn that off?
Where's
It's it's right above the console actually. It's next to elements. Right yeah, left?
oh
No, 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 left of there is a tiny
oh
button. This one, click that. Yeah, click that one. The device, not that one, but the one that you just touched. There. Nope, not that one. Nope. Yes, this one.
tool device toolbar. Oh,
There. Okay, so now we're good to test. So um now if you do add new on
okay.
your app, it should work now.
I
Okay,
don't.
but it's not. It's not working? Okay, check the console.
I don't think it's because like there's I haven't. I don't think.
Check the console and see what's cut.
Hmm.
Check the network tab.
But like I don't think I did. I put anything into the console, like any JavaScript thingy onto the add new yet. I don't
But
think.
try, oh, you didn't?
I don't think so yet. I don't because like I was trying to troubleshoot the basic thing of like the like I was expecting I was trying to troubleshoot this part first. Like I was expecting to see the statement like this one here to appear on the website as like the output JSON arrays. I was trying to test this thing first because I need this thing to like kind of like
Okay.
work. I can move on something like that.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
like I was like following the tutorials like they were trying to get this thing to work first before they move on and try to do something to the add new buttons.
mm, okay. So let's have a look at server.js, see what's in there. Yeah. So so let's just go through it from the top because in order for that SQL file to do anything,
Yeah.
um, we need to have a working server. So here, these are comments,
Yeah.
and so you have we're starting a new server. Okay.
Yes.
And here you have the part where you're getting all of the to-dos. Okay.
Yes.
And so this is where you would expect to see the output, right? That you added in initially, right?
Yes.
Okay. And this call here, this endpoint, is this getting called from the client?
Yes, that's right. User email or something like it should be
Hmm. I see.
user
So then,
email. Yeah.
okay. So you would expect when you load the page the first time that you see the
Like
use.
yeah, I should see something like for like kind of like just like basically whatever I enter into the I store in the PostgreSQL server. I think I can. Do I have like SQL mm,
Hmm.
documents? Like, what's a terminal command? Oh, terminal command for the PostgreSQL. Wait, I forgot. I think I didn't have it on here. Oh, documentation. Oh, let's see. Oh, wrong one. What was it again? I think I had it on here. I can just open the Postgres.
Yeah, I think there might be an easier way to test this though.
Yeah, yeah.
You
Well,
have
I think I
Postgres.
believe it. It
You
cleared
have
my head. Okay.
Postgres. Yeah. So here you have what I would do is, oh yeah, cool. So you have this console.log, right?
Yeah.
At the on line 29, right? So when you load your app, does this console.log get called?
No, that's it. That was an issue. Like, this thing did not work.
So
Yeah.
then doesn't so is the issue that there's nothing in your database, or is the issue that you're
There's something in my database, but it just didn't get like it just didn't get like show on the like the 8,000, like as like the like a sample output.
Got it. Okay. So let's go to the URL that you would have to. Is this a get request or a post request? Looks
Get
like a get request.
This is a great get request.
So how can we put together a URL in the browser that will test this? What can we go to a URL on the 8000 port that will test this?
Yeah, URL. I think it has to be like open the local host.
Cool. Okay.
Cannot get this is
Right. So what should we test now?
like I think because I was expecting if it actually works, then it should appear like it should appear like this is the values into this is of a table ID, user email, title, and progress and date. Then if I put into these value here 0, and then my email, and then there's just something like the string value, it should appear on here, right? It should appear on this part here.
Look at server.js. You have on line 29, you have a console.log statement, right?
Yes.
So actually, that's not getting called ever. So if that doesn't get called, it doesn't matter what's in your database, right? Because that code isn't running. And you see what I mean?
Yes.
And the reason why that code isn't running is that you're at the wrong path. So you have to go to localhost 8000 slash to dos,
Oh.
and then you have to do slash to dos, and then you have to do slash
Oh.
the
And
slash
then
email address.
user email.
Yeah. Well, so not like that. So first spell to dos right,
Oh. So, see.
and then um, and then instead of that user email, put in the actual email address that you want to put in.
Oh, like this one. Let's see. Where is it? Actual email, just like is it this sample email right here?
Sure.
But like that one is just like a fake string that I put in.
Sure.
I don't know. Does it even work?
Let's see. Okay. Now look at your VS Code terminal.
Yeah. It's oh,
So this is good. This means that something actually ran.
error is not defined. Oh, oh, oh. I see. So
So
it's running, but like console error. Huh? Catch it. I see. This is something the tutorial doesn't really troubleshoot when if I bump into one. Okay. This one is wrong. Error. Should I change
yeah,
it to?
that is wrong. Yeah.
Oh,
Error is not defined.
then also I have to get I have to change to the. So it has to be this.
Sure. That's much better.
Okay, then reload.
Save the file first.
Oh,
Cool. So your server crashed, so you'll have to restart the server, but that's easy. Just
um,
go to the terminal,
yeah.
and yeah, there you go.
It's run server. Oh, so let's see.
That was it. Yeah,
Run server again. I thought like doing this, then it's gonna go into open another like local host or something.
that's fine. Your server crashed, so you just have to restart it.
Okay. Hmm. Oh, just need to refresh this one, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
scram. What client password must be a string. I'm pretty sure that was
Oh, interesting.
must be a string. I mean,
Okay.
is it a string though? Yeah, like user email var char. This is a string. Yeah, pretty sure this is a string.
No, no, look. It says client password must be a string. So that's not referring to user password. What that's referring to is the password when you're connecting to the database.
Yeah,
So um, so let's look at what line this is coming from. This is coming from line 31.
30.
Okay. So you're doing pool.query. Okay, interesting. Um, let's let's have a quick look on the internet for this error because it seems like something that would be a very common error.
This is just like I think it's we need to try to get this thing code to work first. Like we can start like actually like try like it needs a connection to like the server. Uh, okay.
Yeah. So oh yeah. So I just did a quick look on the internet. Um, I just did a quick look on the internet for that error, and basically what it said is that probably you are not able to successfully connect to the Postgres database. So you have uh, you have a .env file, right?
Yes.
I'm not showing your screen right now in case you have some secret.
Oh, it was like yeah, yeah. I don't know. I mean, to be honest, even if there's someone, I mean, of course. Oh, okay. I can show now.
Yeah,
Yeah,
sure.
it's just literally yeah. This literally host password, host localhost, and DB port. Yeah, database port 503.
Right.
It's like a common port. Like when it's a default port
So is it possible that the password that you put in is wrong? Is that possible?
of the PostgreSQL.
Yeah. Is it possible?
I didn't know because I have to turn on the PostgreSQL yet. What the
Hmm.
SQL is worth showing on here, but not PostgreSQL when I just have it open. Where's man? It's hard to like even trace. Okay, where's my PostgreSQL, bro?
I think it's running, but I don't think the password is correct. Um, let's go back to server.js and have a look in there.
Got it.
Because if it weren't running, well, it's possible that it's not running, but it's also giving an error. So it seems like it's not running. It seems like it seems like it's running.
Oh wait, it's a SQL shell. Oh my lord. Okay, I see. Okay, I see. I see. Okay, database. Yeah, it's not the deep the oh yeah, yeah, for like the database.js, like this is simply use the .env thingy,
Yeah,
which
that's good.
that's
So
yeah.
that looks
And then here I just opened like the PostgreSQL like local host here.
cool.
How do I oh how do I trace back to my my actual how do I view the actual file? This is something I don't even know how to open like find it on my laptop.
That you mean your SQL file?
Yeah, like the application itself. Because I try to search it, but like the interface, like the actual interface, not like not the terminal command. Like, how do I open server localhost? I just want to open to view my um to view my to do database.
Um,
Yeah, just want to
yeah,
open.
you have to put in the then you just put in the so localhost is good. Localhost is correct. So then I would just hit return. I would just and now you need to put in the name of the database.
Oh, so that's already okay. To do.
Localhost is what you want.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Port. Yeah, this is correct. Yeah. Username post. Do I just like enter my own username in here? Oh, this is in the like. Oh, I enter this information, right?
Yeah, that's how I would
Username.
yeah, exactly.
Okay, let's see. Okay, we. Oh, this is the first time I'm trying to access. Wait, when I enter the password, it doesn't show anything I'm typing in.
Yep. That's normal.
Password authentication failed for use by who the hell?
Okay. So yeah, it looks like that is the issue right now.
Oh, no, it doesn't have to create another.
But actually I'm gonna have to go in a couple of minutes.
Judge. Okay, yeah, that's all right. I'm trying to host this thing. It's just it's weird. Let me try again real quick. There's no way because like, this is just me copy and paste stuff.
Yeah, but possibly the thanks. Thanks, Tarun. Yeah, possibly the password is just wrong, right? Possibly you have the wrong password, right?
If that's the case, I would hope that would be cool. Yeah. So if I get the database here, so assuming if I log into the database here, but that doesn't mean like my server will still be able to run the database itself.
Um, the server able to if all of the details that you're using to connect are correct, then it should work. But right now, it's possible that it's not correct.
Got it.